सक्सेस द जूनियर कॉलेज सईदाबाद में सिर्फ लड़कों के लिए इंटरमीडिएट की तालीम का आला मरकज है। बेहतर मुस्तकबिल के लिए सक्सेस द जूनियर कॉलेज का इंतखाब करें।
10वीं जमात के इम्तिहानात में सक्सेस द स्कूल के तलबा व तालिबात ने शानदार कारकर्दगी का मुजाहरा किया। स्कूल इंतजामिया की जानिब से कामयाब तलबा व तालिबात को मुबारकबाद पेश की गई। SSC इम्तिहानात के नताइज का ऐलान हो चुका है। शहर हैदराबाद के सक्सेस द स्कूल के तलबा व तालिबात ने एक बार फिर आला तालीमी कारकर्दगी का मुजाहरा किया है। स्कूल के SSC के नताइज ने ये साबित किया है कि ये स्कूल रियासत के बेहतरीन तालीमी इदारों में से एक है। स्कूल इंतजामिया की जानिब से कामयाब तलबा व तालिबात के एहसास में एक तहनीती तकरीब मुनक्किद की गई और तमाम तलबा व तालिबात, वालिदैन और असातिज़ा को मुबारकबाद पेश की गई। स्कूल के तलबा की ये कामयाबी उनकी इनफरादी मेहनत के साथ साथ इदारे के तालीमी मियार और असातिज़ा की रहनुमाई की अक्कासी करती है। तलबा व तालिबात ने इस मौके पर मीडिया से बात करते हुए अपनी कामयाबी की तफसीलात बताई हैं। स्कूल इंतजामिया, असातिज़ा और वालिदैन का शुक्रिया भी अदा किया है।
अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। I am Mohammad Shahzan Ali of Success the School Asif Nagar branch, and Alhamdulillah I have secured 566 marks out of 600. It is a milestone for me, and Alhamdulillah my hard work has paid off. I would like to thank my parents for their gratitude, for their blessings and their support throughout the year. From my childhood onwards, they have been really working hard for me, and Alhamdulillah, I'm glad that I made them happy today. And I would also like to thank the management, Mr. Irfanullah sir, for helping us, for making us such a good faculty. The faculty who has supported me throughout the year, our director ma'am who has planned all these sessions and everything for us, and our respectful academic ma'am, and our principal, respected beloved principal ma'am, vice principal ma'ams, and my incredible teachers and the supportive teachers who had also helped us throughout the year. It has been a great journey, and I'm really glad that the journey has ended. It had been a happy ending for me. So thank you, and I would like to thank Irfan sir for facilitating us. Thank you.
Myself, Muhammad Hossein Mahdi. I'm a student of Success the School, Tolichagi branch. Alhamdulillah, by the grace of God, I have achieved 565 marks out of 600 in my SSC board examinations. I would like to thank my parents, teachers, and all the other staff that has helped me in attaining this great results. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Aisha Moin Godel, daughter of Moin Arif Godel, and Alhamdulillah I have scored 556 out of 600 in my examinations. By the grace of God, I'm very excited to by the results I have got. It's the result of all the teachers and our staff and our beloved principal ma'am, Masrat madam, and I am very thankful to them, and now I look forward to pursue my dreams with the knowledge and values I have gained in Success the School Asif Nagar branch.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself Sheikh Zakirullah, and I have completed my 10th class from Success the School, and I have scored 547 marks out of 600, and I am from Asif Nagar branch, and by the blessings of God I have scored 547, and thanks to our chairman sir, Irfan sir, and director madam, and our principals, vice principals, and our teachers. They have helped us to reach the goal where we are standing today. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Sayyida Bashir Nisa, proudly daughter of Sayyid Fariduddin Hussaini. Yesterday our 10th class SSC board results released, and I scored 555 out of 600 from Success the School, Saidabad branch. I would really like to thank Mr. Chairman Sir, Irfanullah sir, and Director Ma'am Samina Ma'am, who really encouraged me and motivated me, and all my teachers, staff, HODs, and all the teaching staff who really supported me and teach me each and every topic, which helped me score these marks. I scored highest marks in maths, Alhamdulillah, and Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
Okay, in that two subjects also we are giving couple of important questions so that they cannot feel burdenization on themselves, right? And they can give 100%, they can show kind of interest, and in between laps we are also giving a kind of rest lapping time for them, like in the like 15 minutes of rest time, like that we used to get. Alhamdulillah, our like topper of our branches are like 562 out of 600. Okay, and from my branch my topper is 562 out of 600, alhamdulillah. And in my branch, in Saidabad branch, I have got 100% of result, nobody failed, everyone passed, alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. And from almost all the subjects I have secured 100% result. In Urdu, more than 10 students they secured 100 out of 100. In English, more than 5 students. In math, more than 5 students. In social studies, more than 10 students. In science, more than 9 students they have secured 100 out of 100, alhamdulillah. We do have 6 branches combinedly. We are having first branch at Toli Choki, Asaf Nagar, and Saidabad, Purani Haveli, Shalibanda, and Sun City.
Success Junior College invites you to experience a faith-based Islamic environment on campuses exclusively for girls at Malakpet and Toli Chowki offer integrated coaching for NEET and IIT G mains.